Alligator. Alligator. Alligator, alligator.
Hi! Are you ready for some cool learning? We made this program so you can practice, play some games, and have all kinds of fun. Are you ready to do some math? If you are, type your name in the box and then click on the green arrow. The green arrow will be on each screen you visit. Click on it to check your work and go to the next screen. If you want to leave, click on the stop sign.
Continue play. You don't need to use the mouse right now. Just watch and listen carefully. When you enter most pages, there is a blue help area at the top. If you need help, click on the question mark. Here's how to do it. First, add the ones. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. Next, add the tens. Don't forget the 110. 1 plus 3 equals 4 tens. There is a scratch pad on many of the screens so you can work out the problem before you type it in. Type your answer in the box and then hit the Enter or Return button. When you have answered all the questions on the page, click on the green arrow to check your work. Keep trying. If your answer is correct, you'll get a star. If your answer is incorrect, you'll get a red check mark. See how one of the balls at the bottom of the screen turned red? This tells you that some of the answers are wrong and need to be corrected later. You can go back to correct your answer anytime by clicking on a red ball. If all the questions had been answered correctly, you got it. Try this one. The ball would have turned green. Work hard, and as a bonus, you'll get to play some games. If you want to leave a game and do some more problems, click on the green arrow. If you see a printer on your screen, it means you can print this page for practice later. Just click on it. When you've completed all the exercises, but you have some incorrect problems, the program will automatically take you back to correct your work. Hooray for you! After successfully completing all your exercises, you can print a certificate or play more games. If you want to start over, click on the blue return arrow. Remember, you can leave anytime you want by clicking on the stop sign. The next time you start third grade math, you will begin where you left off. Type in the missing numbers for each fact family. You got it! Try this one! Complete each family of facts by dragging the numbers to the correct box. First click. You got it! How fast can the mouse eat all the cheese? Use your arrow keys to move the mouse. When the mouse has eaten all the cheese, hurry and ring the bell to stop the time. Don't run into a hungry cat. You have 3 chances to finish the game with your best time. Click to start.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Find the sums. Type in the answers. You're the best! Now do the rest. Find the sums. Type in the answers. Great job! How fast can the zookeeper feed all the animals? Use the arrow keys to move the zookeeper to the food and take it to the correct animal. Don't feed the animals the wrong food or get carried away by the Jeep. You have 3 tries to get your best time. Click to start. Add the numbers. Type in the sum. You're smart! Read each set of numbers. Click on each number and drag it in order from the least to the greatest. Click on a click on You're doing great. Can you beat the computer in a game of checkers? The object of the game is to capture all of your opponent's game pieces. Here's how to play. When it's your turn, you can only make one move. Always move forward to the next empty white square. You capture an opponent's piece by jumping over it to the next white square. You can jump over as many of your opponent's pieces as you can by jumping from empty square to empty square. You can't jump over your own pieces. If you have a jump, you must make it. When your piece makes it to the last row at the top of the screen, it becomes a king. A king can move either forward or backwards. The winner is the player who has one or more of their pieces left on the board. To move a checker, first click on the piece you want to move. Next, click on a highlighted square and your piece will move to that square. If you want to change how your checkers look at any time during the game, click on one of the triangles at the top left of the screen and scroll to the pieces you like. Click on a checker to start. Subtract the numbers. Type in the difference. I knew you could do it! Subtract the numbers. Type in the difference. Rename as needed. Keep going, you're doing really well. How fast can the mouse eat? Type each number in expanded notation using numbers. Wow! You are super at this! In each number below, one digit is bold. Click on the place value of that digit. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Way to go! How fast? Drag a greater than symbol or less than symbol into each box. Click on the correct. Click on the. Good. Let's do another one. Type in the sum. Remember, you may need to regroup more than once in a problem. Not to worry. Can you beat the computer? Type in the sum. Remember, you may need to regroup more than once in a problem. Hooray for you! Type in the difference. Remember, you may need to rename more than once in a problem. "100%! How fast can the... Look at each bold number below. Round it to the nearest 10. Click on the number. Good work! That was a tough one. Multiply the numbers. Type in the product. Keep up the good work. How fast? Multiply the numbers. Type in the product. Great! Count by twos. Type in the product. Hey, that was a good one. Can you practice these facts? Type in the product. Getting better all the time. Multiply the numbers. Type in the product. You're terrific! How fast can the mouse divide the numbers? Type in the quotient. Hip hip hooray! Divide the numbers. Type in the quotient. Good. Let's do another one. How fast? Type in the missing numbers for each fact family. Good work! That was a tough one. Divide the numbers. Type in the quotient. You're doing great. Can you beat the computer? Read each problem. Type in the product or quotient. Remember, never divide by 0. Correct the problems. Getting better all the time. Count by 8s. Type in the product. You got it. Try this one. Exit. How fast can the mouse? Type in the product for each problem. Hooray for you! Multiply the numbers. Type in the product. Keep up the good work. Exit. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. Correct? Keep working. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. Oops, a little mistake. Can you beat the computer? Read and, read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. Use the scratch pad to help you solve the story problem. Write your equation using the cursor. If you want to erase your work, click on the eraser. When you're finished, type the answer in the box and hit enter.
Some words often mean to multiply. Some multiplication clue words are how many and how much. When you multiply, you are adding numbers. A cheetah can cover as many as 6 meters in one stride when moving at top speed. How many meters could it cover in 6 strides? 1. Read the problem carefully. 2. Look for clue words. 3. Decide what you must do. 4. Solve the problem. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 meters.
Great try. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. You got it. How fast can read and solve each problem? Type in the answers. You can do it. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. You'll get another chance. How fast? Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. You'll get it. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answer. Keep going. You're doing really well. Can you beat? Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. Almost. Read and solve each problem. Type in the answers. How fast can the mouse exit? Way to go! All your answers are correct. Click on the picture with the blue ribbon to print a certificate. You can play a game by clicking on the picture of the balls and tennis racket, or start over by clicking on the blue return arrow. If you're ready to leave, click on the stop sign. Print. Exit. Way to go! All your answers are... How fast? Way to go! Can you beat the exit? Way to go! How fast can the... Way to go! All your answers are correct. Great job! See you later.